Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I will be using settings as an example for this. And once it's open and visible on the screen, simply press the power key and volume down, just a simple click of those, like so, and there we go. Now if you're doing this for the first time you'll get this pop-up, so you will need to allow Samsung to actually access files so it can actually save this somewhere. And once you do so, you will have a couple shortcuts right here. So we have tag, or actually edit, tag, share, and then we have the scrollable option. That is also one of the reasons to open up settings, because when you click on this and you can actually scroll down, as you can see, you can capture a longer version of your screenshot. Now once you're done pressing it, it will disappear after a moment. Let's see, or maybe we just need to click somewhere. There we go. And then it saves it automatically. So once it's saved, you can find it in your gallery application, as you can see right over here. There's my screenshot, and additionally, if I go back, you should be able to find an album called Screenshots where you'll find, well, all the screenshots in there. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.